Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Welcome to part 2 of the cleaning and dismantling of a Bolex P2 governor. Alright, so as you can see I've been polishing the governor here, the bell part of it rather, with the metal polish, and you can use brasso as well. In doing so, I just simply added some to a toothbrush, put it on the area, and just started polishing it. So like, I need to get inside of here, so I'll put some in there, just like that. Need to clean the inside of that right there. And what I want to do is I want to show you, as I turn it around right here, everything else is just fine. But what happens when you come across something like this? Let's get it in focus there. There we are. Take a look there. When you got some rust right there, corrosion, that type of thing, and the metal polish simply just will not remove that. So what do? Well, you're going to have to refer back to the diamond file. I'm going to use this one. It's a round diamond file with a round and pointed tip. Okay? And what you'll do is very carefully, without disturbing the metal underneath, as you'll take this and just start with the tip working that rust away. Turn it around and rotate it. And if you start to take a look and see, it starts to remove that rust. On this one I'm having to apply a bit more pressure. It's on there pretty good. There we go. Trying to make some more progress there. Getting that worked out. Looking better. Better. And again, not to disturb the metal. I'll finish this, I'll have to polish it. That is for sure. Okay, so essentially there I am. Alright, take a good look. There we go. So next I'm going to put some metal polish on it and work from there. Okay, now that I've applied the metal polish to it and let it dry, I can just take my little shirt, as I generally do, and just buff this off. And then I'll have to go back with a polisher. As you can see right now, it polishes it really good. There's a little bit of an edge right there. We can smooth this out even more so with one of these buffing tools. I buy these, and this can be put on the end of your drill, but since it's so big and I'm just working on camera stuff, I just simply take this and apply it right on here, just like so, and I buff it by hand, just like that. And as you can see, you start to tell the big difference right there, automatically. Okay, now let's check out this part down here after polishing it, and the secret of how to remove the metal polish inside that hole of the bell. Okay, so I've even added some more metal polish here, and I'll take this buffer. You see how it's got the black residue on there, And I just start again doing the same motion. These particular ones are really good at buffing stuff out, making it smooth and bright and clean. See there? Look at that. Look how well that is shining. But you do have some residue inside the bell. See there? So the metal polish. So what is the secret to getting that out? Well, you may have guessed it already from one of the previous videos. Pipe cleaners. So just take the pipe cleaner, double it up just like that, and just put it straight through the bottom and out through the other side. Just like so. And bring it back and forth a little bit. And then, as you can see, the inside of that part of the bell and back behind it is now nice and clean, so the governor can travel well. Another thing I do want to point out and stress to you is these bars right here that have been blued on the left and right side. Do not attempt to attach them, okay, unless they're rusted and you need to replace them. Actually, they're crimped. If you look close, you can see at the end of my pencil eraser on the bottom and top of each side, they've been crimped in there, okay? So unless you know what you're doing, you have the experience to repair it. Otherwise, you don't want to put too much force on these and pop them out. They are crimped in there. Okay? So a good look to take. Okay, next, to get any of the cleaner out from around these areas just like that. So again, you have to go back through it. Use the tip of this polisher and go around in there. Do take caution again on these parts right here, these long pieces of metal, those bars right there. But just go straight in there just like that and polish it all the way around. And this thing really does a great job at all that. You just put everything back and you look close and you can see how polished it is and how shiny it's getting, right? And that's all you do, is just keep going around there. Even on these parts right here, I've already polished this, but just polishing that and get up in there, use the tip of it. Use the tip of it again to get into the corners right here. Polishing that off, but being delicate. The bell down here. Go around in there and it's going to polish everything nice and clean. You see how shiny it is. And that is going to make your governor travel much, much smoother. But of course, definitely you want it clean inside here. So do make sure that you use those pipe cleaners again to get inside of there. Alright, so I'm keeping to go around here. I've got this side, turning around here. I've got this side to polish. Polish it out all the way around. Anywhere, of course, that you see the metal polish, just go ahead and remove it and get it done from there. And that's all you got to keep doing as far as this part is concerned, essentially. Just keep it polished. Check for that rust. Other than that, that's really about it. Okay? So get everything polished and clean. You want it nice and shiny. It does make a difference to keep this clean. Any of your Bolex parts, especially the governor. inside there. Again, that's where everything's going to be traveling in your different frames per second speeds. You want all that clean. All right. So there you go. That's all there is to it, essentially. Do contact me at the social media outlets on the screen, and do subscribe. Until next time, everybody. See ya.